Hi guys, so today we're going to be working on the simplifying radicals homework. We're going to do number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. I'm going to put my work in this area here. You can too if you want, or you can put it on the back, but I'm just going to put it on the front. I think we'll have room. Okay, number 2 is to simplify the square root of 18. So make a factor tree. And you want to think of two numbers that you can multiply to give you 18. So you could do 9 times 2, you could do 6 times 3. I'm going to do 6 times 3. Okay, and then you want to circle any number that is prime. If it's not prime, you have to keep going. So 6 you can multiply 3 times 2 to give you 6. Okay, those are both prime, so you can stop now. Make a new radical. And look and see all your prime factors. So we have 2 3s, we have a pair of 3s, and then a 2. So double check and see. 3 times 3 times 2, that does equal 18, because 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 2 is 18. So just double check and make sure your factors work. Then you want to look for pairs. So you have a pair of 3s here. So for each pair you have, cross it out, and one of those numbers is going to go outside your simplified radical. So since you had a pair of 3s, we put 1 3 outside the radical. And then 2 stays inside because it does not have a pair, and that is your answer. Put a cloud around your answer. Okay, number 4. Square root 50. We did this one, I think, today in class also. So you can do 25 times 2, you can do 10 times 5. I'm going to do 10 times 5. Circle the prime, and for 10 you can do 5 times 2. Okay, so short one. Put all your prime factors under the radical, 5, 5, and 2. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 2 is 50, so that works. Find your pair, cross out any pairs that you have and put one of those numbers on the outside, and you get your answer here. Okay. Moving on. Number 6 is 44. Here's the tip. If you have a number like 44, 55, 22, 33, any number that's like a double like that, that means that you can multiply 11. 11 is a factor. So 11 times 4 gives you 44. So 11 is actually prime, so circle it. And then for 4, that's 2 times 2. Okay, so 11 times 2 times 2. Circle your pair, cross it out, put one of those on the outside, and you get your answer. Six. I'm going to divide this one by 2. It's 28 and 2. 28, you can do 14 and 2. 14, you can do 7 times 2. Okay, so put 7 and then 3 2s. Okay, so again, look for a pair. You have a pair of 2s. Cross out the pair of 2s and put 1 2 on the outside, and then on the inside you still have a 7 and a 2. Those aren't the same number, so they're not a pair. You can just multiply them together. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay. 96. I'm going to divide this one by 2 also. Well, I'm going to divide it by 3. Yeah, 32 and 3. 32, we can divide that one by 2. 16 times 2, and then 16 we can do 8 times 2, and 8 we can do 4 times 2, this is a long one, and 4 we can do 2 times 2. So we're going to have more than one pair here. Okay. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s and 1 3. So circle. You have 2 pairs here. So cross out both pairs. And since we have 2 pairs, that means we're going to put 2 2s on the outside. Now let's clean it up. So on the outside you have 2 times 2, which is 4. On the inside you have 2 times 3, which is 6. Okay. Last one, number 12. Square root of 48. Now you can do 24 times 2, but I'm going to do 6 times 8. 6 is 3 times 2. 8 is 4 times 2, and 4 is 2 times 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, and a 3. So again, you have 2 pairs of 2s here. Since you have 2 pairs of 2s, that means 2 2s are going to go on the outside, and then this 3 is going to stay on the inside. So 2 times 2 is 4, and it's 4 square root 3 for your answer. Alright guys, I didn't give you that many practice problems because I knew this would probably take up the whole page. So if you want to do the others for extra practice, go right ahead, and I will see you tomorrow.